Students, welcome you all to another exciting and new video class of Master School and College. Yes, I'm fine. How are you all? Okay, thank you. So let's introduce first. Yes, I know you know me, even though I'm telling. I, Maliha Salsabin, teacher of Master Preparatory KG School, Sector 14. Today, I will be taking your Bangladesh and Global Studies class. Yes, I will teach you chapter 10, that is Geography of Asia. In your previous class, you have learned many things about Asia. Yes, today I will discuss about the west part. But before that, I want to tell you something. You have told me earlier that you are more interested to know about different continents, about their resources, about their minerals, about the industries. Yes. But in class 4, you will be learning about the continent Asia. So I think you won't feel bored in today's class because I have tried to organize the class in such a way that throughout the class I will show you many interesting videos, animated pictures, animated videos. Okay, so you won't feel bored, rather than with the fun you will learn many things. Okay, so let's start our today's class. So dear students, open your Bangladesh and Global Studies book. Our today's classwork number is 32 and we will learn chapter 10. What we will do? Yes, we will do overall discussion on the resources of Asia. So students, what was your previous lesson? Okay, your previous lesson was on chapter 10. You have learned about the largest continent, that is Asia. As you have learned many interesting and many informations about Asia, so what we will do now? Yes, I will ask you some feedback questions. So for that feedback questions, I have some idea. I think you are missing your whiteboard, isn't it? I'm also missing teaching you in whiteboard. So let's do our today's feedback session in whiteboard. I think that would be interesting. So it's time to check that my dear students are learning properly or not. Okay students, are you ready? Okay, the very first question for you is, what percentage of world population lives in Asia? Very good. Perfect answer. It is about 60%. So I'm writing it about A-B-O-U-T. About 60%. Then the next question for you is, how many countries are there in Asia? Very good. I'm giving a clap for you all. It's 48 countries. So I'm writing it 48 countries. Then the next question is, which one is the longest river in Asia? Okay, yes, very good. It's Yangtze. So we should be more careful while writing this spelling, isn't it? Yes. So I'm writing it, see, Yangtze, Y-A-N-Z, Yang-T-Z-E, Yangtze is the longest river in Asia. So I'm going for the next question. See, there is high temperature and heavy rainfall in which countries of Asia? Very good. It's Indonesia and Malaysia. Okay, you know the spelling, right? Yes, I'm writing it. See, I-N-D-O, Indonesia, N-E-S-I-A, Indonesia, and Malaysia, that is M-A-L-A-Y, Malaysia, S-I-A, Malaysia. Okay? Then the next question is, what type of weather is in Siberia? Guess what? Yes, very good. The weather of Siberia is Very cold. That is very cold. So students, I am so happy with you because you have learned your previous lessons perfectly. So it's time to move to our today's class. The board students, now we will start our today's lesson. Okay? So what is our today's topic? Yes, it is about the resources of Asia. So students, what you can see in the picture? Yes, it is grain crops. So by seeing the pictures, I think you have understood that now we will learn about crops. And what you can see here? Yes, it is cash crops. So students, what is grain crops? The crops which are generally grain producing plants. That is, which crops are coming from grain producing plants. So if definition comes, then how you will write? Yes, very good. The crops that are used as food is known as grain crops. And what is the examples? Yes, very good. Rice, wheat, corns, coconut, etc. Then students, what is cash crops? Yes, cash crops are generally produced for its commercial value rather than for use by the grower or producer. So, if definition comes of cash crop, then what you will write? Yes, the crops which are grown to earn profit is known as cash crops. And for example, yes, very good. Jute, cotton, rubber, tea, etc. are cash crops. Now we will learn about the minerals of Asia. So students, what is minerals? Okay, before that, see some pictures of minerals. Gold, bronze, this is mica, this is silver. Okay, so minerals are actually the solid substance that are present in nature. But if definition comes, then how you will write? Any guess? Yes, very good. The resources which are found in earth as well as in deep underground is known as minerals. For example, as we have seen in the picture, gold, bronze, mica, silver, etc. Then, as you have learned about some minerals, I think you are eager to learn that where these minerals are used. Okay, now I will tell you some usefulness of these minerals. So, as you can see, this is the picture of coal. Coal is the cheapest and most essential source of energy. In the steel industry, coal is used indirectly to make steel. Coal is used as fuel for cooking and a source of heat. What is fuel, students? Any guess? Yes, fuels are substance that is used to provide heat or power that can be made to react with other substances also. Okay? Then you can see in the picture this mineral oil. Mineral oil will also help prevent cutting boards from getting cut marks in them. Okay? Okay. So, as you know, we use cutting board in our houses. Yes. For what? For cutting and chopping things like vegetables, okay, and like fish, meat, etc. And after using the cutting board for some days, we can see some cut marks in the chopping boards. So, if we just rub the cutting board with mineral oil before cutting something in the cutting board, then it will help to prevent cut marks in the cutting board. So, I hope that you will give this information to your mom. Okay? Okay. Mineral oil will help preserve and protect wooden furniture. As like cutting boards also, if we just rub the wooden furnitures with mineral oil, it will protect the wooden furnitures also. And mixing mineral oil with other essential oils can keep your house smelling light and fresh. As sometimes we use some essential oils in our house for good odor or good smell. So with that essential oils, if we mix mineral oils, that would give a much better fresh and light smell. Okay. Then the next one, as we can see, is natural gas. Natural gas is used as both a raw material and as a source of heat. So what is raw material, students? Yes, it is the basic material from which a product is made. Many natural gas is burned as a fuel. As I have told you earlier, what is fuel? Substance that is used to provide heat. Okay. It is also used in stoves. In stoves, whenever we are cooking, we need gas. In ovens also, in clothes dryers, in lighting fixtures and other appliances also we use natural gas. Then we will know more usefulness of minerals, that is about bronze. As you can see in the picture, this is the picture of bronze. Bronze is suitable for use in boat and ship fittings. Why? Bronze is having the combination of toughness and resistance to get damaged from salt water. That is, ships and boats are generally, they move in sea water, and in sea there is salty water. So bronze get less damage in salt water. That is why bronze is suitable for use in the fittings of boat and ship. Bronze were used for coins over a longer period. Bronze is also used for making mirrors. Okay. Then the next one, as we can see in the picture, is gold. I think your moms like gold jewelry. Yes, I also like gold jewelry. So we can understand that gold is used to make jewelry. Okay. It is used in the making of winning medals for popular world games, championships and awards. As you know, gold is very precious and costly. So, to show respect to the winners of popular world games, then champions who are getting awards, okay. So, to them, gold medals are given. Okay. As presentation, gold is of the top metals when it comes to being good conductor of electricity. As we know, gold is a metal, and you have learned in your science book that metals are good conductor of electricity. Yes, so we can say that gold is a good conductor of electricity. Then, as we can see in the picture, it is picture of silver. Okay. Silver is used for making jewelry. As gold is more costly than silver, so all people cannot afford buying gold. So nowadays what people do is they buy silver jewelries, and sometimes they do gold color in silver jewelries. Okay. Silver is used to make mirrors also. As you know, silver is very shiny. Yes, and it is very good reflector. So, if coating of silver is given in mirrors, then the mirrors will be more shiny. So, to make shiny mirrors, silver is used. Then, we will learn more about mica and manganese. So, as you can see in the picture, yes, it is glossy. It is mica. Mica is non-toxic minerals. Okay. What is meaning of non-toxic? Yes, it is not harmful. It is one of the important ingredient in makeup and various cosmetics. Okay. In makeup and various cosmetics, whenever we use makeup or various cosmetics, a shiny look is coming. For that shiny appearance, mica is used with that cosmetics. And it gives a shimmery effect and adds sparkle. In makeup, highlighter, we use highlighter to give a shiny look. Yes, in highlighter, mostly mica is used. And in other, loose powders also mica is used to give a glossy and shiny look. Then we have learned about manganese. As you can see in the picture, these are manganese. Manganese is used in dry cell battery. What is dry cell battery? Yes, the batteries which are used in electric devices. Okay, it is also used as black-brown color in paint. Okay, now we have learned about minerals and now we will know about the industry of Asia. You know, Asia is rich in industry. What is industry? Yes, economic activity concerned with the processing of raw materials and manufacture of goods in factories. Let's elaborate this. What is economic activity? Yes, any activities involving money or the exchange of products or services are economic activities. And what is processing of raw materials? Yes, processing means making a basic materials by which a product is made. That is processing of raw materials. And what is manufacture of goods? Manufacture means making something on large scale using machinery. That is whenever we are manufacturing goods, that is we will make goods on large scale using machinery. I think you are clear about what is industry, isn't it? Very good. Now, we will learn about some examples of industries of Asia. As you can see in the picture, this is paper industry. Then it is iron industry. Then it is cotton industry. So, we will learn about some major industries of Asia and their usefulness. As you can see in the picture, it is iron and steel industry. You know, steel is used in every aspects of our life, in cars and construction of products, refrigerators and washing machines and cargo ships and many more other things. And rapid economic growth in China has been accomplished by an expansion in the iron and steel industries. Almost 50% of all the iron produced in the world is made in China. So, as China is also what they are doing, exporting this iron and steel to other continents, and we are earning foreign currencies from those continents. Then as you can see, we can see cotton industry. So, cotton clothes provide comfort and it is also hypoallergenic. As you know, in summertime, which type of clothes do we prefer? Yes, we prefer using cotton clothes. And it is hypoallergenic. That is, it is free from allergy. Cotton seed oil is cholesterol free. You know, cholesterol is very harmful for our health. Yes, so in soybean oil, there is mostly cholesterol present. So, if we use cotton seed oil, then we will get rid of cholesterol also. Okay. Then cotton seed oil is used for cooking and in products like cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, rubber and plastics. Then we can see, yes, it is jute. So we will learn about paper and jute industry. You know, by exporting jute, huge foreign currency can be earned. Jute is produced in high amount in Asia. And if we go for paper, paper is used in our everyday life. We use copy, we use tissue paper, box, etc. which are made of paper. Okay. Now, I think you are interested to know about how papers are made. Okay. Students, I think you are interested to know how papers are made from trees. Yes. So, I will show you a video how papers are made from trees. And paper can also be recycled and reused. So, from the video, we will learn those things. So now, it's time to enjoy the video. Look at the video, students. This is only for you. Paper is made from trees. See, with large machines, trees are cut down. Cutting tree reduce oxygen. So what we will do? Recycle. Recycling 1 ton of paper will save 17 trees. The trees are brought to a factory. Then their bark is removed. They are cut to small wood chips. The wood chips are mixed with water and cooked into a paste. The paste is bleached and other chemicals are added to give the finished paper more strength. Now as you can see, the paste is flattened and the water is squeezed out. The flattened paste is dried out and becomes paper. The strips of paper are cut into smaller sheets. But wait, paper can also be recycled to make more papers. Instead of using wood chips, used paper can be recycled into new paper. The paper is mixed with water and cooked into a paste. Recycling paper saves the energy of growing, cutting and processing trees. Recycling paper also helps reduce carbon dioxide emissions and landfill use. So, other than cutting down trees at random, we will do what? We will do recycling of papers. Thus, we can save trees. Now, students, we are going to learn about the largest joint venture company in Bangladesh, that is QAFCO. QAFCO, the full form is Cornfuli Fertilizer Company Limited. As you can see the picture, what is it? Yes, it was established in Bangladesh with the shareholding and support of the governments and private sectors of some Asian countries, that is Bangladesh, Japan, Denmark and the Netherlands. Now, we will learn some important information about Cornfuli Fertilizer Company Limited. It is a 100% export-oriented international joint venture company. QAFCO is the largest joint venture investment in Bangladesh. QAFCO markets its products to many countries around the world located in Rangadia, Cornfuli, Chittagong just alongside the Cornfuli River. The company employs a total of over 600 people at its plant site and corporate office in Dhaka. As you know, it is the largest joint venture investment in Bangladesh, so it is giving many unemployed people employment facilities. The QAFCO complex produces high-grade granule urea and anhydrous ammonia. These both are chemicals. QAFCO's corporate office is in Bangladesh's capital city, Dhaka. That is, the plant is situated in Chittagong, but its head office is in Dhaka. Now students, we are done with our today's lesson. So what we will do now? Yes, it's time to do review. We will do review on the topics which we have learned today. So let's start our review. As we can see that at first we have learned about crops. We have learned about grain crops. So what is grain crops? Yes, the crops which are produced and used as food is known as grain crops. And then we have learned about cash crops. What is cash crops? Yes, the crops which are produced for earning profit is known as cash crops. Then next, we have learned about minerals. You know, Asia is very rich in minerals. We have learned about bronze, we have learned about gold, then we have learned about silver, we have learned about mica and manganese also. So these minerals are naturally available in Asia. And these minerals are very precious, costly also. So these minerals are having huge demand in world market. So we can tell that Asia is rich in minerals. Then we have learned about industry. We have learned about different types of industry, that is iron and steel industries. Then we have learned about cotton industries. Then we have learned about jute and paper industries. Iron and steel is having huge demand in world market. Cotton is also having huge demand in world market, you know, and cotton cloths is having huge demand worldwide. So it is earning huge amount of foreign currency. So Asian countries are exporting cotton, and by exporting cotton, Asian countries are earning huge foreign currency. So then we have learned about jute and paper. Again, jute made things are also having huge demand, and we can sell them with high price in other countries. Again, paper made things are used widely in Asian countries and other countries also. And we have learned that how to reuse and recycle paper and use it again and again, so that we can cut less trees, so less trees will be destroyed and we can use papers. My dear students, are you with me? Okay, then what we have learned next? Yes, we have learned about CAFCO. What is its full form? Carnifoli Fertilizer Company Limited. Then we have learned about their location. Where it is located? Yes, it is located in Chittagong, just alongside Carnifoli River. Then what we have learned? We have learned about their products. Which products are they producing? Yes, correct. It's ammonia and urea. Then what we have learned? We have learned where is their head office in. Their head office is in Dhaka. Very good. Then we have learned their company type. That is joint venture company. And which countries are included here? Bangladesh, Japan, Denmark and the Netherlands. Correct. So students, you have cooperated me a lot in the review class. Yes, now it's time to ask for feedback questions. So are you ready for the feedback questions? Okay, let's see. So students, our very first question is, what is grain crops? You all can answer. Very good. Now I'm telling the answer. See, the crops that are used as food is known as grain crops. For example, rice, then yes, wheat, then corn, coconut, etc. The next question is, what is cash crops? Very good. You are correct. The crops which are going to earn profit is known as cash crops. For examples, yes, jute, cotton, rubber, tea, etc. Okay. Then the next question is, how is the condition of industrial sector of Asia? As we have learned about the different industries, we have learned the usefulness of industries. So I think you can guess what will be the answer. Yes. Okay, you can try. Very good. Now see, I am helping you. There are plenty of industries in Japan, Malaysia, Thailand, etc. in Asia. Iron and steel, cotton, silk, paper and jute are the major industries of Asia. Asia is quite developed in industry. Okay, so if these questions come, then you will answer it in this way and you will get a very good mark. Then the next question is, write 2 uses of natural gas. Can you tell? Yes, I have taught you by making chart. Okay, very good. 2 uses of natural gas is given below. natural gas is used as a source of heat. Then many natural gas is burned as a fuel. Okay. Then the last review question is write 2 uses of gold. Very good. You all want to answer. That means you have listened to the class properly. Okay. 2 uses of gold are given below. Then you will write gold is used to make jewelry. It is used in the making of winning medals for popular world games, championships and awards. You can write some other uses also. Okay? Now it's time to take your homework. You have to do homework. Otherwise you will forget writing. You should increase your writing capacity. Okay? Whenever you will do homework, then your writing skill will increase. Your writing speed will also increase. So, what is your homework? You have to learn and write the given related question answers that I have done at the end of the discussion of our today's lesson from chapter 10. So, hope you will do the homework properly and learn the lesson properly, because for your coming second term exam, this chapter and other chapters all are very important, and this is a very informative chapter. So wish you all the best for your coming exam. Tata and goodbye. Stay home and stay safe and